So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. So yeah, let's begin with today's challenge. Today I will be working on the leaderboard part. What I'll do is I'll just make a crown before I start so that it will be easy for you to follow up. Ding ding, and I'll just make one crown like this. And one more thing, what I'll do is I'll just take another triangle and I'll just put behind this. So what I have is I just send this back and maybe reduce this and reduce this. So what I'll do is I'll just put here this and I'll remove this. Okay, so what I am going to do is I will remove even the border for this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just delete this and I'll make another rectangle from holding here to here to here. And one more thing, what I'll do is I'll just make a center line, or I'll just, for the reference of my, I'll just draw one line and take this to here. So I'm aligned to this line, so it'll look equalized. What I'll do is I'll remove this. I'll remove this and send this one back, and I will actually change this color to the background. Oh yeah, we have a crown type of thing, but for that again I'll put a jewel type of thing here. It is another, just another style of design. You can use anything in your wish, but yeah, I'll just align this properly. So yeah, before we actually start, I have a few things to say. That's basically, you will have to, whenever you're designing, you will have to look into the what do you say, the design part, design as in the layout and the alignment of it. May that be center line, left line, whatever it is. Based on that, you'll have to look in the spacing also. So you can't keep content touching both the edges, which is kind of like it becomes more of crumbled thing. So what I will do here now is I'll just change the color for this to maybe orange. Oh, I'll go with orange, and then I'll remove the border. For this again I will have to open another file called, yeah, you might have guessed it right, it's iOS 12 GUI. Okay, so meanwhile when it loads, I'll just start making with another board here. Okay, so I have this. I think I'll just go with the orange, but a lighter version of it, a way too lighter one. And I'll remove the borders that is there. And here, okay, let me just check if this is ready. Yeah. So I'll go here and maybe get this and this. Control C. This here, I'll just select the artboard and Control V. I will have this as my design. This is looking nice. So before I start, I will actually put a line here, giving the attributes of this, maybe a name. Okay, I'll reduce the font size to maybe 14, and this again I will go with some other font such as maybe Tahoma. Yeah, Tahoma is a good font. We have only two weight of this, but I don't want only two, I might need more. So where do I go? UE Gothic. Do I have a lot of fonts? Yeah, I have a pretty good font selection here. So we have name, score, uh, rank and changes. and I'll put a rank. Okay, I don't think a rank should come here. I'll just move this aside and then get this here and put a rank. Okay, rank is here. So changes. Okay, uh, I will just select this, equalize it, and maybe move apart a little bit. Give it a center line. Okay, even this also I'll take it a little closer, center line it, and maybe change the color to a little more lighter gray. So we have this. For this, I don't know what to put here. Okay, what I'll do is I'll reduce the size of this. Okay, I can actually put a profile here, the profile of my own, the person who is using this. Uh, it's going to be leaderboard now, so we'll actually give a lot of details here of the user, and other users will come here. So what I'll do is I'll just put one. Okay, and I'll just make it a center line. Oh, what I'll do is I'll just remove this and I'll use a repeat grid, and I'll drag it along to this, and I'll increase the size of this to maybe 24. Yeah, this is nice. I'll reduce this to this and I'll just ungroup it. So I have my, you can, okay, for this again I'll keep it in a center line, center weighted. I'll go to, I'll press text option, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 names here. I think I'm planning to remove the changes part, as I can implement it in the rank itself. So I'll just drag this score to here and equidistance it, and control G, shift C, shift control G again. So we have enough space again here to follow. What I'll do is I'll just drag this here and here. So I have my part here done. So I'll just put a name here, name Rajesh Khanna, Rajesh Khanna. Okay. Okay, I will even make a logo for this leaderboard kind of thing. So yeah, this is there. I'll have to put a score and a rank. Score, some random number, and rank. Rank will be again around 12. So okay, we have done here, and I'll be using a plugin here called the user face, user profile. Fill the user profile, it will automatically fill a face. I hope it's a male. No, it's not a male. So I'll just change it again till I get a male. Okay, it's another female. Okay, I'll just change the name. I'll just change the name to Ring Joe. Okay, so yeah, we have this here. I'll make it a little more dark. So is there any difference of 14? 14. Okay, I don't think this is fine. I think this is actually good. So what I'll do is I'll just put in some random numbers, or what do I do here? I'll have to give another back button here. So yeah, I have my back button ready. Just reduce it to the small. Give it a white border. and increase the weight of this, rotate rounded, give everything rounded, give it here. So we have our this thing here. So I'll try to make a logo based on this. I'll just make a random logo. Oh yeah, I have this here. Okay, I'll just go. Okay, I think this looks nice. I'll just reduce the size. I'll reduce the size. I know this is some bad logo designing, but yeah, okay. I have to focus more on the design part, not on the logo designing. So I'll just make it white. So we have a. I'll just put game zone here. Enter. Make it smaller. Give it white, complete white, and maybe change the font to. Okay, this font looks good. This font looks good. I'll just make it a little big. Okay, make this more smaller. Reduce the size of this line stroke. So yeah, I'm done with this. So I'll just check if there is any name generator in the plugin thing. Name generate name. Okay, I'll just search that. The So we do not have anything regarding the name. So what I'll just do is I'll select all this and maybe give lorem ipsum. Quick lorem ipsum. Yeah. This looks fine to me. I'll just add a few more scores here, random numbers, not letters. If I go 2, 2, 2, 3. So I have this. So sometimes there are chances to have multiple same scores. So I'll just make a random number generation. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the video. So we are done with the scoring part. Just going to be random numbers, and yeah, what I will be doing here is I will give the changes in the score also. So I'll just select this, make it big one, give it a green color, a lighter green, remove the borders, give it a little round, and I'll just select another number with the same green color because it should show that it has come from a long way. It is going to be 5. It has come all the way up. Oh, and this one I'll just put it vice versa. So I'll just make this flip it. Okay, not this. So I'll just put 1 here. So it's going to be randomly generated. So yeah, okay, what is this? Why is this happening like this? I'll just get this to, maybe yeah, I'll just uh I will flip it up and make it again green. Where is the color? Here, green, and then I'll just change this to 6 and change the color to green. What I'll do is I rest all have not changed. For that I'll just put a line, or not required actually. It is understood that it is stagnant there. And yeah, for new I'll just put if this is a new rank, I'll just put a new here, reduce the size and maybe give it a shiny orange. Oh wait, I'll just take this, select this, go up, get it from here. So we have our new also. There is rank up, rank down, new rank, everything is here. So yeah, I think I'm in the end of the video. And yeah, I'll just show you one more thing real quick. This is a new update that we have got in XD. I'll group everything here and I'll just make a bigger design here. And yeah, there is this 3D icon where you can actually give a 3D effect. So yeah, this is here where you can actually give a proper 3D look in your design, so it looks more appealing. I'll just, okay, what I'll do is I'll just make another box in this from here to here and give it background. I'll send it all the way back so that you can have a fine look of this. So yeah, this is here, and I'll just go up and make it a little bit downer. So yeah, we have our design kind of ready. I'll make it a little rounded corners, and maybe give it a drop shadow. I'll just exit from this view and give it a drop shadow. Maybe I'll just give it here. So we have our a pretty good design here. Yeah, this looks good actually. I can actually apply this here also. Okay, I don't want a 3D, so I'll just turn off this. I'll send this back. We have our curved thing here. I'll again curve here also. So we have that curvature, nice curve. So yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have learned something. I've given you some value. And yeah, do like my video, comment on my video, share my video with your friends. Design with me. You can always get in touch with me if you want to be mentored for the design field. I'm always open. Basically, this is an idea where I help people get jobs regarding their in their design career. So if anyone of you want, I will actually be taking only 5 people. Currently, I'm mentoring 3 people now. Three, no, it's 2 people. Three more are left. If anyone wants, I will be more than happy to help you. So it will be basically one-on-one session. It will not be complete classroom style, but it will be just one-on-one, so that I can give individual attention to everyone. So if you are interested in joining my mentorship, you can always personally message me in the in LinkedIn or any of the social media handles I've given in the description. And yeah, it's completely free. It's not, I don't charge anything here. So yeah, see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my videos. So okay, so bye. See you in the next video.